If you're anything like me, you don't really like that weird underline that Squarespace puts under the read more link on the blog post sections. I do get it because obviously it's slightly more intuitive to have the underline. But most people now are quite web literate and they realise when something says read more and when you hover over it, the cursor goes from an arrow to a pointer, then you can click it. It's quite obvious. So I want to just quickly show you how to get rid of that underline and basically make your blog sections look a lot cleaner. So we're in the blog page at the moment. What we want to do is go into Google Chrome Developer Tools, so Shift, Command and C. If you don't have Google Chrome or if you don't use Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. I'm going to give you the target anyway, so just follow along. So we want to highlight read more and then we want to go one deeper. So we click the down arrow and then we find after. So after is essentially the line. Then we grab this, so we copy this, and remember after was the line. So what do we want to do with that line? We want to get rid of it. So we open and close the squiggly brackets, and within those brackets we put display and none. That gets rid of our line, and that is that. So if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.